Sackman,
Yeah.
keen to go fishing?
Fucking oath, yeah. Sorry, my phone was in the other room. I was putting new hooks on my lures.
You all rigged up, ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright man, well I'll see you in the morning.
You.
Welcome to another video, guys. We've had a pretty interesting morning. One of the boys called me up at 3:30 saying, oh, I can't come fishing today, I think I've got COVID. But he left us in a bit of a pickle. It's just me and the Sack Ambassador. Tell them what we're doing today.
Hopefully go out, try to find some dollies, maybe go do some mega sack action, maybe with the electric reel, and yeah, I reckon it's going to be killer.
Well, the weather looks like it's going to be really good. It is blowing a little bit in the morning, which should be good for the dolphin fish. But the whole plan today is to go and get Sackman onto a big dolly. The last time we went out, he got a reasonably good one, but I really want to get him a big fish. So we've left friggin' early. Been a bit of a debacle, but weather's looking good, and with a bit of luck, we catch some fish. So we'll take you out for the day. So see you out there, guys. You keen to catch some fish?
Yeah, boys!
I'm not joking you guys, that was the best fishing session I've ever had, and I've got to say thank you, bro.
It's actually way rougher out here. Well, it's not crazy, but it's definitely rougher out here than what it was supposed to be predicted. But it's kind of good, because when it is really average like this, the fish are definitely not as shy. And you kind of, I still like to creep the boat up, but you don't need to be as cautious with spooking the fish. We still stay off the fad. You don't want to drive right onto it, but it's that bit of rough water. It seems to get them really chewing. One thing with the fad as well, when you do it, come up on the windward side of it and drift past it. You don't want to be coming up, like going downwind from it and then nosing the boat onto it. You want to come upwind and actually drift the whole boat past it. When it's really calm, you want to also turn your motors off. Sometimes I find they'll spook even by a little noise of the motor, but nice long drifts. There's stacks of birds out here, so I think this one's the one that's got the fish on it. Oh, dolphin fish straight on it, man. There's a big one straight on it.
Yeah.
Did you see it jump out the water?
I did, bro.
Oh, look, I think he's got your bait.
Yeah.
The fish is there, man. He's got your bait. Wind up, wind. The fish is right there. Wind, fast. Dude, you're on, man. Yeah. That fish swallowed it and swam straight up the front of the boat.
Hoofed it.
He hoofed it all right, mate. I didn't think you knew you were on.
No, I was just sort of making sure.
That was your first cast at this fad. It's a nice one, man. Friggin' hell. It's a bit rough out here. Oh, look at that. Look at that fish.
Don't turn up the line now.
Do you want to come up here, or? There's birds everywhere. I'd say there's heaps of fish around.
Yeah.
I thought,
Yeah, the boys!
I thought you were in a bit of disbelief. Look at that. Oh! Man, that's awesome.
There's a gap.
Because I thought I saw the bait in its mouth right at the front of the boat.
Yeah, when I saw it jump, I should have started whining a lot sooner, because I kind of knew.
Awesome. That's a nice.
What's going on here?
Oh. I think you got it. You accidentally looped a tangle in the line.
Yeah. Oh, it's back at the front now, kind of. Yeah.
Oh. I'm gonna get the gaff for you, man.
Oh, there's one right on it as well. Another one.
Oh, it's big as well. Do you want me to gaff it or throw a live bait out?
Just chuck a livey out.
Because that one was pretty big. It was with, hey. Is the other one still there?
I saw a flash, but...
Oh, this one's been smashed.
Yeah, straight away it would be.
Oh, this one's been smashed. Oh. Man, I literally flicked the bail. That's insane. Oh! Oh!
They're everywhere!
Double! Oh man, oh look at them all!
There's fucking so many!
Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one, Sackman.
Where are you now, Sam?
Oh! I don't know how we're gonna land these two fish.
I'll get this one in a sec, don't worry. I'll just fucking rip it in.
This is a cow. I don't know if this was the big one.
Yeah, there was a bigger one, eh?
There was a real big one. I'm gonna, do you want me to get this one in? Look at the fish everywhere. Dude, there's fish everywhere. I'm thinking I might try and, I'll put mine in the holder and then we can get yours or something, or can't believe my friggin' fish come off, man. Friggin' hell. Come on, Sackman. You got the ball, mate. One down, one down. Oh. Oh no! Got him. Sackman! You stoked?
Yeah, boy. Frothing!
Man, that's a cracker dolphin fish. Look at the colours on it. I'm just gonna get you some photos real quick. Oh man, that's a ripper fish, eh? Look at the dorsal on it. These things are the best. So much fun. You got to be happy about that, Sackman.
It kept wanting to go down, wouldn't come up. Look at the other side of it.
Man, that's a
beautiful looking fish.
You ready?
Thank you, bro.
Ready to go get some more?
Oh yeah, look how many birds are over there.
There's birds everywhere. I'd say there's probably another school of dolphin fish around here. We went to the first fad, there was already somebody on it. We saw a couple of fish, they weren't interested in the lures or the live bait. So we quickly just scooted up to this next fad. Weather's pretty bloody rough as well, so it's a bit of a mission, but we got here and literally his first cast. And I hooked that second one, but bloody got off just as I was getting it to the boat, so what do you do? But there were stacks of fish in the water, so we're just gonna go get back around and try and get some more fish. All right, so Sackman's gonna show us how to rig a bait here.
So hold it by the head, so you got a bit of control. You want to get through that little line in the bottom of the chin and directly through the head like that.
All right, there's the fad, mate. Go and cast your bait out. Nice one. And what are you doing there?
Just waiting for it to get smashed.
He's
fish
getting,
on it, fish on it. Fish on it, just let it eat it. If I strike, keep striking, I'm gonna spook him.
I don't know if your line's tangled around the fad.
No, I'm on a dolly right now, I think. Either that or I'm tangled on the fad.
Yeah, you're tangled on the fad.
No, I'm not, I'm on.
No, you're on, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm on, bro. Yeah, I was just letting it go, bro.
There we go, mate.
That's how you do it, boy.
What happened?
Spat it. Didn't let it run for long enough. I'm gonna let it run now and really swallow this fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I think you're on, mate. Wine.
Yep.
I think you got a lot of slack in your line. You got wine. I think you got a lot of slack.
Is that or I'm on the chain?
Oh.
No, just gotta let it, longest 5 seconds of your life, you just gotta let it really swallow it.
Oh, there's fish everywhere. Oh, look at them all. There's fish everywhere. Oh, there it is, Sackman. I think you just had a lot of belly in the line.
Yeah, no, I don't know, I just like to let it really swallow it from my snapper fishing. It's not big.
Oh, he's all right, man. Second dolly of the morning.
Second cast.
Look at this fish absolutely everywhere in the water here. Look at them. Man, it's a nice one again.
It's not bad.
Look at this one. There's some serious fish here.
It's about to get some air time, I think.
Do you want me to gaff this one?
Yeah. Oh, what do you reckon, bro?
You want to keep it?
I've got a pretty good one already. Yeah, we'll let this one go, I reckon.
We're gonna let him go. Oh, there we go. Simple as that. Oh, right at the boat. Oh, freaking hell. Hey, Sackman, there's a whole school of them here. Oh, man, look at them all. Oh, dude, get your bait in the water right here. Right here. Come on, you're gonna be on.
Yep, straight away.
You're on?
I think so.
Man, look at them all. Dude, you're on. Oh, how insane's that? Oh, friggin'. Tell us what you reckon, Sackman.
Dollies are going off!
Woo! Look at the fish. Oh my God.
There's a lot of fish down there.
There's so many. It's actually nuts, the amount of fish down there. And this thing's awesome, but look at that. It's on that little riptide. Sackman's got his, making a mess. Little bugger. There we go. All right, let's see how we go. Sackman's already on.
Fucking hit it really hard.
Oh!
Ooh, maybe you got the big one.
Nah, I don't think he's massive. Man, as soon as your lure hits the water, oh! As soon as the lure hits the water, you're on. Oh, look at him.
Yeah, I don't think we need liveys here, eh?
Not at this spot, you don't. Unless you want to try and get a real big one.
Yeah, that's what I thought I just did.
Oh, look at that. It's as simple as that. There we go, barbless hooks. Released another fish.
This is a good one, bro.
Sackman's on down there. Let's see how long it takes me to catch another one. Oh, oh, yep, oh. Oh, yep, oh. Oh, right at the boat, right at the boat. Ew! Look at them, the other fish are trying to get the lure out of its mouth.
Oh, good dodging.
Oh.
Yeah, this is my second keeper.
Look at that, how lit up they are. Boom, done. Sackman, you want a hand? Another nice fish. This is on the live bait, eh?
Yep. Oi, get up there. You bugger. Come on, you mongrel.
One down, one down, one down. Oh, it is a nice one, man.
Yeah, I told you.
Got him.
Second it hit, I was like, the way it hit, I was like, this is a decent fish.
Circle hook right on the side of its mouth. Hook's gone, man. Oh, ripper fish. Ripper fish, mate. You gotta be happy about that.
Sure am, bro.
How lit up is it?
So the FADs stand for fish aggregation device, or fish, people call them fish attracting devices. It's to look like it's to replicate like a log or some weed floating around out in the ocean, which is usually pretty hard to find. But the state government's put these FADs out here. You can just go a bit over an hour out of Perth, get bitten by a dolly while you're talking about it, and yeah, and they're stationary, so that because obviously you'd be lucky to find it and you'd have to chase it around, but you can come and sneak up and go around and get fish like this. You just got to find one where it's on fire. Yeah, the boys! Woo!
I'm just going to show you this lure that I've been using, this Riptide. It's absolutely been destroyed. This thing, we've caught so many fish. It's just, it's pretty insane how chewed up this thing's going. And it's still catching plenty of fish, so give them a shot. 125 Riptides, sinking versions, they're friggin' awesome. Little Vertex, we'll see how this thing goes. I reckon it's gonna get smashed. yep, yep, yep. Oh, yes. Vertex lasted 2 seconds.
On a Vertex.
Yeah. Woo. Oh man, that thing annihilated it. Oh.
I'm trying slim bait.
Man, absolutely went nuts for it. It's like a little 110 Vertex. Oh. Look at that.
Right at the boat on the slim bait. Right here.
Actually a little 95 Vertex in the Fusilier colour. Didn't stand a chance. Awesome. Man, absolutely nailed it. And get him back in the water.
I'm on the slim bait.
You.
On the CID slim bait.
Alright, I'm going to show you how easy it is fishing with this little Nomad Vertex. All I'm doing, just casting it out. They cast awesome, these. Let it sink for a second. Just swimming it. Oh, yep, on. Oh, Sackman's on. It was that easy. Oh, look at that. This feels good. All I did was flick it. Oh, I spat it. No. Cast him back out again. It's actually a little 95. I thought it was a 110, but they really work well if you vibe them. Oh, he got whacked. Oh, 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 right there at the boat. Right there at the front on the Vertex. Oh. Yo! You! What do you reckon, Sackman?
That was pretty killer hit. Working better than my lure.
Look at that. Not bad for a day off work, eh? Look at that.
Whoa, this big, I think. Yeah, I think I'm on.
Oh, there's so many fish there.
Yeah, I think I'm on. Come and eat it. Big one, come and hoof it.
Oh, yep. Hardly even moving that. That's on the swim. Must just be swimming on the way down that vibe. Oh man. Oh, yellowtail king. Yeah. Yeah. Little king right off the fad. That's cool. Sackman's on a good one. Oh, it's a big one. It's big. Oh, it's big. It's a big one, one. He's going around the fad. Yes! Is it big?
It's big.
That wasn't the first one that jumped out, was it?
Don't know, bro, but I'm pretty sure this is a fucking big dolly. Definitely my biggest.
Trying to gain the line so he doesn't bust him on the fad, because he was trying to go around the fad, that fish, eh?
Is it going around it?
Oh, he's going deep. You might have to tighten your drag a bit, man. Not too much.
This cunt's going hard.
I think he's done ya.
On the chain, you reckon? Nah, he's there. I'm just trying to raise him.
That was hectic. You see him how he's trying to cut you off on the fad?
Yeah, fucking oath.
How much did you tighten? How much did you tighten the drag? Because you might have to back it off a little bit.
Not too much, bro.
I think he's a good one, eh?
Oh yeah, I know it is.
There he is, man.
Yo! I know.
Look at him.
It's gonna wear him out a little bit.
You're close to the fad, man. I wouldn't let him go too much. The current was ripping us. Go on, sack bass.
It's giving me hurt.
You gotta give him hurt.
Nah, I don't want to lose it, bro.
Get him up, sack bass. Oh, look at him.
It's hurt me back.
Do you wanna come down here, sack?
He's on his head.
Sack. Wind a couple meters.
Oh, yes!
It's a nice one, sack bass. Oh man, he's big. Oh man, he's big. One down, one down.
Huge, man.
One down. Oh man, just watch the rod. Under your arm, under your arm. Back it off just a little bit. Oh man, that's big.
I know, mate.
I didn't realise it was that big.
I told you. That's why I'm freaking out.
We'll get him on the next pass. Just you need to get him up just that little bit more. Need his head up, head up, head up. One down just that little bit more.
Get him! Get him!
Oh man.
Yes!
Oh! Oh!
Yes!
Yes! Look at the size of it!
Yes!
I didn't think it was that big, man. That thing is huge.
Get that in here. World.
Oh man, look at the size of it.
When it hit,
I know.
when it hit, I was like, this is a good fish. Let me just get my hand in there.
Oh, there's fish jumping out of the water here as well.
Stop biting my line, you little fucker. Oh, not
Go to the
any stretch. Yeah!
Oh man, that was insane. Look at the head. You got the bull, man.
That was a real fight. That's the first real fight I've had with a dolly.
Yeah. Go on, get up the front and show us. Man, that is big dolly. Sack bass. Man.
I'm speechless again, bud. It's the second time you've done it to me. Look at that thing.
That's a big dolly. I'm stoked. How good is that, man? I'm gonna get you some photos.
Thank you very much, Fish West.
Man, you gotta be stoked for that, eh?
Big bull, mate. My first ever. Now I know when people say that dollies fight hard, and I'm like, now I know what they're talking about. Thank you.
They're the boys.
Thank you, bro.
It's time for a beer, isn't it? You could scull a beer right now. Let's get him in the esky, eh?
Yeah, boy.
Right guys, so there's another friggin' awesome day out off Rotto. The fads are absolutely, again, they're still firing, so before the end of the season, make sure you get out there. Good day.
Mate, yeah, cheers for putting me onto my PB dolphin fish. I've literally just been to dolly heaven and back. I'm a little bit worn out, but until the day I die, I will never ever forget that fishing session. That was the most insane, and I'm not joking you, bud, that was the best fishing session I've ever had, and I've got to say thank you, bro, because I'll never forget that. That was amazing, mate.
It was pretty good.
Expert advice, like, but man, I'm honestly lost for words, man. I'm worn out. I'm like worn out from adrenaline and everything. Of that I can't explain how amazing and awesome that was, and how glad I am that I got to go out and do that, mate.
Yeah, it was good.
Thank you for getting me onto a big bull. If you want to learn how to catch dollies, this is the guy to speak to.
Oh, we'll see you next time, guys.
Yo!